Dreaming of a Tahitian getaway with the allure of overwater bungalows but worried about the cost? Fear not, as finding an affordable slice of paradise is within reach. Let's dive into the crystal-clear waters of budget-friendly luxury. Understanding the costs of these iconic accommodations is key. While prices can soar, remember that amenities like direct lagoon access and glass floors are part of the package. To snag a deal, consider off-season travel from November to April, when resorts lower their rates to entice visitors. The quest for affordability doesn't mean skimping on the experience. Opt for a charming, less extravagant resort, or keep an eye on travel deal websites and resort social media for exclusive offers. Remember, islands like Moorea and Raiatea might just have the budget-friendly bungalow you're searching for. Immerse yourself in Tahitian culture through its cuisine. Skip the pricey resort meals and venture out to local eateries where dishes like poisson cru offer a taste of the island's rich culinary heritage without the hefty price tag. Beyond the bungalow, Tahiti's beauty is yours to explore without emptying your wallet. Public beaches, lush gardens, and vibrant markets await. Rent a bike or scooter for an economical way to discover the island's hidden gems. With these tips, your dream of an overwater bungalow in Tahiti can become a reality, all while keeping your finances afloat. Book with a Tahiti at Far and Away Adventure.